Is Earnviv really the #1 crypto rewarding platform as it claims on its website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make some extra money, and many viewers here on my YouTube channel have asked me about this platform. So I decided to test it and take a closer look, and in this Earnviv review, I'll give you an inside look and show all the important details you need to know to figure out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and you can see on the website here that they claim to be the #1 crypto rewarding platform. That's a bold claim. I've tested many platforms that pays out in crypto and cash, so we'll see when we take a closer look. But overall, it's a get paid to site you can basically join from all countries. As it is with all get paid to sites, how many opportunities you will get will of course vary depending on the country you live in. But theoretically you can join from basically all countries. But let me now log in, and then we'll take a closer look at how it really works and whether it's worth it or not. So I have now logged into Earnviv, and on the dashboard you can see there are several different ways to earn, but it's actually also easier to get an overview at the top here in my personal opinion, because a lot is going on here on the dashboard, so that can be a bit confusing. But let's go over some of the main ways to earn, and I'll share my opinion and experience with it compared to the hundreds of other sites I have tested. So let's start with this faucet, because this is supposedly one of the easiest way to just claim free crypto. So let's go here and see how that works, and you can see it just takes a little bit of time to verify, and then it will take me to the faucet, and then you can see here there's just a lot of ads loading, and this is one issue in general I have with Earnviv. There's so many different, then suddenly I'm just like taken away, a spammy ad just pops up and wants me to to verify that and where am I going. There's a big video opening. I'm actually taken away from the website itself when I go to this faucet. This is extremely poor user experience, that you try to go and see. Again, I'm taking away a spammy ad. I'm not just have a spammy ad popping up, I actually have like a spammy ad covering my whole screen, taking me away from the platform. I have managed eventually at some point to get into the faucet here, but it gives really low rewards, and as you can see it gives a terrible user experience. That's just these spammy ads that's kind of forcing you to try to allow notifications and things like this. It's just a really bad user experience. The faucet for these reasons is just something to just completely stay away from, in my personal opinion. So let's move on to some of the other ways where you potentially can earn in here. So the next here is the offer walls, and you can see it is integrated with quite a lot of different offer walls. How offer walls works, if you don't know, is that you just choose one, then there are different paid offers. You need to read the exact conditions, and you can see sometimes or often it is where you need to like download a game, sign up for a free trial, sign up for some kind of a website, and then you will get a number of coins here. Once you complete it, you just need to make sure you fulfill all the requirements. You cannot have an ad blocker installed, because then they won't be able to track it. So click it, read the exact conditions there, and you can see here what it would require to actually get the full rewards. That will require quite a lot of effort. But overall, I would say that inside Earnviv here, in my opinion, the offer walls, that's the best way to earn, the most user-friendly, but the exact same offer walls, the exact same paid offers are just available on many other get paid to sites also. And in many cases, they give better reward and better overall user experience to take them on other platforms. I do have a list of the best get paid to sites on my website. I will leave a link to that below also, so you can check that out if you decide this is not for you. But that's just my personal opinion. The offer walls, the best option on Earnviv, but you can find the exact same offer walls, the exact same offers for higher rewards, better user experience on other platforms. But let's move on to a couple of more ways to earn before we talk about how you can actually get paid. So there are a few more ways here. You can see games. You can play these ones here in the browser. They will not pay you a lot. You can see here that you need to play for a minimum of 2 minutes. It can be like kind of fun games, but again, overall, if you're in it to actually win money, this will not earn you a lot. The same with these here. These are more like kind of games also, but you can see high-low dice and some of the others here. You actually need to bet some of your earnings. You can see here you can bet, and then you would get this as a profit if you win, but there's also basically more than a 50% risk that you will lose your earnings. So that's these games are at least free here. Some of these, or most of these, they will cost some of your earnings. whether you like gambling or not, that's up to you. Just be aware that you can risk losing them. But there is also this more here, and here you can see there are short links and pay to click. So pay to click is where you can click ads and earn. You need to visit a website for 30 seconds. Again, in general, you don't earn a lot by clicking ads. It's okay here, kind of like regular PTC site, but if you want to earn by clicking ads, this is not the best option either. I do have a video about the best pay-to-click sites. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out if that's an earning method you in general want to use. And then they have this short links, and short links is in general something like I stay away from because it just takes so much patience, and in many cases also very spammy ads. You need to claim here a new website, new ads, all this pops up. In general, I have not yet, and I've tested hundreds of sites, come across a website where I would use short links, because usually it just takes extreme patience and a lot of ads, a lot of spammy ads. So I just in general stay away from these, but that's up to you yourself to decide whether you find it worth it or not. But that particular option, not something that I would recommend using. But before you decide whether you should use any of the options at all, let's talk about how you can get paid and how much you can overall earn. So when you come to the payout option, you can see they have quite good options, and 10,000 coins is worth $1. So that tells a little bit about how much patience, because you saw some of these, for example, like the faucet. We couldn't really get access to the faucet because of all the spam ads, but the offers, the games you could play, or the PTC options there, that it will take a lot of patience to earn enough to actually get paid. But I do like the payout options. You can get paid both in crypto, but actually also PayPal cash. So even though it says the #1 crypto earning platform, you can also get paid in cash. So I do like when platforms actually offer those options. But just be aware, as it says also here, payouts can take up to 7 days, so it can definitely take some patience before you will actually get your earnings. And overall also, to just earn $1 will take patience compared to many other platforms. But I do like the payout options. That is actually the best thing in my opinion about Earnviv. That is the payout options, and it also has a fairly low payout threshold depending on the payout option you choose. You can see when you go here, you can see, for example, for Bitcoin here, the minimum withdrawal here is 10,000 coins. So you would actually only need to earn $1 to withdraw, and you can withdraw to any Bitcoin wallet. So that is definitely great. But if we, for example, look at PayPal, you can see it's 50,000. So you would need to earn $5. Still a fairly low payout threshold. For Tron here, you can see it's also $1. So for the cryptos, it's definitely the fastest, but still can take some patience. But there's one more important thing you need to know, because as you can hear, I'm not too excited about Earnviv, and you might ask why that is, because there's a lot of positive reviews out there. So I just also wanted to address this, because for me this is kind of something that I do not support at all. I find it kind of unethical. That's my personal opinion, and therefore I also want to share it with you so you know why my opinion might be different than what else you can find online. So if you go to Earnviv on TrustPilot, you can see that it has, at the time of recording this video anyways, more than 1,800 reviews, and it's almost 5-star rating in average. So based on this, you say like, well, Michael, why are you so negative about it? Well, I'm not negative. I say it's a way to earn. I just think that it's not very user-friendly, and I think there are many other better platforms. That doesn't mean you cannot earn, but in my personal opinion, definitely not a 5-star platform. Maybe 2.5, maybe we can pull it to 3 if there was a few adjustments they would do with the usability. Again, no, I'm quite strict with this because I have tested hundreds of sites, so I don't just give 5 stars easily. But the thing is, you might say like, but so many others are giving 5 stars. Well, the thing is that the majority of these 5-star reviews, they don't sound real. And I'm not just saying this based on a hunch or of reading it, because if we jump back in here to the tasks, they have something called tasks here. You can see review us on TrustPilot and see make a 5-star review with TrustPilot, and then you will get 500 coins. So they are having a task inside the platform where they pay people to do 5-star reviews. This of course goes against the terms of TrustPilot, and many platforms get away with this, many companies get away with it in general, and this is also the reason why when I look on Trustpilot in general, I am quite critical because you can often read if it's a real review or not. And it's easy to manipulate both with extremely positive but also extremely negative review. And this just proves here that you can't really trust that when you see like they have basically 5 stars as an average. And that's why you need to be a little bit critical with things like that. And I just wanted to show it here because in my opinion, doing this is actually unethical because it's not people sharing their opinion, their real experiences. They are just sharing it. They do not even pay you to make a review. They pay you to make a 5-star review, and this is actually not allowed. And in my personal opinion, it is not ethical. But I just wanted to explain it here because if not, I know I will get a lot of comments, people saying, oh, but on Trustpilot it's almost 5 stars. Why do you say that there are better options? Well, this is the reason there are so many 5-star reviews. So to sum it all up, Earnviv is a platform where you potentially can earn extra money for free. I do not think at all it lives up to being the #1 crypto rewarding platform as it claims. I have tested hundreds of different get paid to sites, and there just are better options. There are a little bit too many spammy ads for some of the tasks here. Some of them are decent, but the ones that are decent you can find on other platforms also in many cases for higher rewards. And then I really do not like this task where they pay people to do 5-star reviews because that kind of ruins the possibility for us users to get real insights from other users. And that's why it's not a platform that I will really be using because I tested so many platforms and I just want to focus on the ones that I find to be the absolute best. And if you want to see what those are, in my opinion, I will leave a link below to a list I have of the best ways to earn free Bitcoin. I also do have a list of the best free ways to earn PayPal cash. I also do have a video about the best PayPal online jobs. So if you want to earn whether it's crypto or cash for free, I have some more information about that. You can find that through the links below this video. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I'll release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.